Right. In your own time, you can drive off. Okay. Whoa! Okay! Don't do that. Are you trying to kill us and everybody else on this street?
I'm sorry, I thought that was what you do.
No, everybody knows that's not what you do. Unless it's a full moon on a Thursday on dates and multiples of 3, you should know not to do that. You could get docked serious points.
Really?
Yes.
My mum's done it a few times.
Well, that's understandable. The law did only change yesterday.
Right.
Right. Okay, so you're going to want to go up a gear here. The laws have changed recently about the speeds, and although you could go a bit slower, you would be docked, so let's just go fast.
Did you have a nice weekend?
Yeah. You're going to want to go left here.
Here?
Here! Oh. You nearly missed the turning. Did you not see the sign? Look at the sign. Don't look at the sign, look at the road. You're crazy. You could have failed immediately. You should have seen the sign. It was covered in mud that said very clearly that it was a one-way road.
Sorry, I didn't see it.
Why didn't you see it? Where were you looking?
The road?
Don't look at the road, look at your surroundings.
But the guy in front of us went down that road.
The guy in front of us probably already has his license.
Oh. Will he get a ticket?
Probably not, no. Right. Speaking of keeping your eyes peeled, do you see the roundabout there? What are we going to do?
Turn left.
Left?
Turn right.
Right?
Straight on.
Yeah, if you want.
So wasn't that my road?
Yeah, it was. I don't know what that one was trying to do. Well done for putting your foot on the brakes. I think you saved our lives.
Oh. Thanks.
Yeah, no problem. Although, don't be too proud of yourself. You should have put your hazards on. You could get docked serious points for that.
It was so quick.
Yeah, it was quick, but you should always be aware of your surroundings and think fast.
Right.
Why are you so tense? Chill out. I'm veering off a bit here. Well,
Does that mean an immediate fail?
no, but you would be docked points for sure.
Right. Do you think that this is relatable enough?
Well, we could have shot it in a car.
But I actually haven't passed yet.
Oh. So, why don't you know how to drive? Forget I asked. At least we can use your lived experiences to make enough content for clicks, right?
Oh, right. So, do you think we could make money out of this?
Fuck no. But what you can do is get enough of your funny experiences to be able to get some brand deals with those big ass companies that like to use, you know, like orphan children and stuff to kill those pesky foreigners.
Potential payment?
Yeah, blood money.
I'm so glad.
Do you know who else is glad? Doom scrollers.
Are they?
Yeah. It's art.
I suppose.
Oh, careful. We just waded through some meta commentary there. You're going to want to slow down so we don't bust the engine.
That's fair.
That's not what I meant.
Just don't understand why we can't make this relatable art more visually interesting.
Suppose we can. Here, stop at this pelican crossing. How about this? Oh look! It's raining. Do you know how to put put the windscreen wipers on? No.
No.
You like it? I suppose it's not really relatable to our fans anymore.
Does that mean an immediate fail?
No, but you'll definitely lose some points.
I think I'm fine with that.
Careful. You're veering off to the side there. Could you get back into the centre there, please?
Is that more meta commentary or?
No. But still, you don't want to lose any more points. You'll fail immediately.
Who cares?
Right, we're going to want to go left here.
Here?
Yes, here! Oh my god! Sorry, everything in my brain has gone to mush.
You're doing good.
We're doing so well. I'm back.
With the reverse